Hi everyone, today's video is about how to prepare a parcel for shipping. So let's start. To do this, you need to have a painting, tracing paper, foam boards or thermocol boards, adhesive tapes, bubble wraps, a cutter and a scissor, cardboard corrugated rolls, and some paper and pen for labeling. My wife is actually packing here as she does in most cases, and here is she placing the tracing paper on top of the painting so that anything doesn't get into the varnish of the painting, and she is attaching that with some tapes. We are using thin strips of adhesive tapes to attach that tracing paper on top of the painting. Now we are going to cut the foam board, and here we are using a kitchen knife, but you can use a cutter if you have a good one. Now we are going to need two of these to protect the painting from any kind of shock. So this is the one that goes behind the painting, and we have made some dents, and this is the one that goes on top of it, and we are going to use tapes to secure both the boards on top of the painting. So now this is how it looks. Now we are sealing the corners with adhesive tapes so that they can withstand any kind of shock. In bigger paintings, you may need to use cardboard corners to protect them from shock if they are framed, but here this is sufficient. We are using bubble wraps to seal the product, and it's going to withstand any kind of shock and as well as water and stuff like that. And we are sealing the sides as well with tapes. Now this is another layer of protection. We are now going to put it into a corrugated cardboard roll, and again we are sealing all the corners and sides with tapes, extra protection for all the sides and corners. Now we are using the tapes to seal the whole product from water, and this is how it looks now. And finally we are putting down labels for shipping purposes. This is the shot of the final parcel that is going to be shipped. If you like this video, then please click the like button and also subscribe for future videos, and remember to click the bell icon so that you get notified when a new video is uploaded. If you have any queries regarding my paintings, then also check out my website www.kaustavandfineart.com. Take care.